Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a lace closure wig with body wave hair by the company DYHAIR777. I'm just going to be mixing some Salon Care 30 volume peroxide and kaleidoscope together, and I'm going to carefully make a thick paste so that I can bleach the knots. This is just me opening up the package. Again, the hair is by the hair company DYHAIR777. It's loose wave, and the hair was not sponsored. My client purchased the hair with her own money, and I just wanted to do a detailed video on how I would make my lace closure wigs. Here I'm just taking a popsicle stick and that thick paste that I made to bleach the knots. I'm just spreading it over carefully without pressing it into the lace so that I can bleach the knots on the closure and it'll look more scalp-like. Here I'm just laying the closure down where I want it to go. I'm going to put it about 1/4 of an inch in front of the dome cap. I'm using the dome cap to make the wig also, but just like 1/4 of an inch in front of the dome cap, and I'm going to just pin it down with some T-pins. I'm just wrapping the closure in a little bun so I can get it out of the way where I can start sewing. So just use a clip to clip it down so it'll be out of your way. And here where the closure and the dome cap meets, you just want to start sewing there, leaving just that little extra tab that hangs over. Leave that free without sewing it down, and then just start sewing the rest of it down around the closure. Once you make it around to the back side, you just want to make sure you're pulling the closure tight so that there is no waves or buckles in the closure and that it's laying flat. style it in a lot of different ways. It almost looks like a frontal. I think I did pretty good on the wig construction. Part looks pretty good. The hair looks pretty good. I'm just gonna lay it down and let it set overnight. And here's just a little short clip of me after I had installed the wig on my client. It looks very natural on her. And I just put some big curls in it and used my shampoo comb and combed it out. If you enjoyed my video, hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can be the first to know when I upload a new video.